Sunday morning, it's 1:30 and the pan train is at Jesmond platform 2, and we're just waiting for the isolation to be put on before we move off to start the work. Now working on the second splice. Obviously we can't maintain social distancing. Now we're getting ready to put the clips back on and just check the tension. We're just fitting the last splice and we're just torquing it up. Looks like we're happy with that.
Yes.
Right. We're now going to put the tension on by taking the pull lifts off. So you can see this isn't an easy job.